Hey, my name is Martin. I am the CEO of UpSteam, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to order a car wash to your home using our mobile application.
After downloading your app, create an account by using your phone number. Once you're done, fill in other information and add your car. Here you can insert your credit card. Payments are secured and will be processed only after the wash is completed. Now we can press the Book a Wash button. Choose whether you like a wash for interior or exterior. Next, choose a location. You can drag the bin to a specific location in the parking lot or simply type an address you like. Then choose between the level of washing you need. Here you will see the description and the jobs of that service. In case you feel like doing something more, just press Options. Since it's sunny outside, I'm feeling a wax would look great on my car. So lastly, I need to pick a date and set a time frame for when my car is free for washing. Since I plan on driving home from work after 5, then I will set it between 8 and 5. Here you will find the order summary. Finally, I will press Place an Order and voila!
Now my order is sent to the customer support and they will confirm my specific wash time pretty soon. A day before the car wash, they will send me a text message to remind me of my time. If I had an interior cleaning as well, the washer will call me and let me know if I need to open the car doors. That's how simple it is.